వెల్కమ్ టు వేదా టీవీ. ఈ రోజు మనం ఢిల్లీలో ఉన్నాం, జంతర్ మంతర్ దగ్గర. సో ఇక్కడ చాలా మంది స్టూడెంట్స్, చాలా చిన్న చిన్న పిల్లలు కూడా ప్రొటెస్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు, 12th క్లాస్ వాళ్ళు. అండ్ మనం చూసుకుంటే జొమాటో డెలివరీ బాయ్స్ వీళ్ళందరూ ఫుడ్ తీసుకొచ్చి వీళ్ళకి సపోర్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు. అండ్ నైట్ అంతా పడుకోకుండా కూడా ఇదే ఎనర్జీతోని స్టూడెంట్స్ అందరూ ప్రొటెస్ట్ చేయడానికి ఎంతూజియాజం చూపిస్తున్నారు. పోలీసులు కొట్టినా చేసినా కానీ. అండ్ సి పోలీస్ సైడ్ నుంచి కూడా చాలా వరకు పోలీసులు కూడా వీళ్ళు పుష్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. ఇక్కడ ఎలా ఉంది, నైట్ ఎలా స్టే చేస్తున్నారు వీళ్ళ ఇష్యూస్ ఏంటి అని ఒకసారి మనం స్టూడెంట్స్ తో కలిసి మనం వాళ్ళతో డిస్కస్ చేసి ఇంకా మనం మాట్లాడదాం. వాట్ యు డు?
I am a student. I recently passed 12th and I am going to college.
Okay.
And I was affected by the CBSE OSM re-evaluation.
Yes.
That's why I am here.
So you come regular to your place?
No, I have come here before once and I am here again.
Okay. So are you not afraid of the police after coming here?
I am a bit afraid, to be honest, but we should demand for justice.
So
Right?
what do you want to say to the government?
I just want to please take accountability and resign.
Okay. Yeah, what is your name?
Shri Kodan.
Shika, you're from?
Tamil Nadu.
Yeah. What do you do?
I'm a student only.
You're a student
I'm
only.
gonna go to a college.
So you come every day here to protest?
This is my first time.
You come this way.
This is my first time today. Yeah.
So how you feeling after coming here?
Very enthusiastic I'm feeling right
See,
now.
even after seeing that police are beating students,
Yeah.
still you came here, right?
Yeah. Because we are fighting for this only, no?
Yes.
We are fighting for this only, and we all should come actually.
Yes.
Yeah. So there were many polices. I saw many polices there, but
Okay.
still the enthusiasm I saw, so that's why I came here.
So with who all you are here?
I'm with her only
So,
right
okay.
now, and my many friends have come earlier also.
Okay.
I have come today.
Okay. So what do you want to say to the government? Say.
I just want to say that resign and give justice to all the students.
Okay.
Dr. Mazhar Ansari, I'm from Mumbai, come to Maharashtra for protest that NEET aspirant students.
So,
I am also NEET aspirant students.
Okay.
Actually, my batch is 2024.
Okay.
We are doing
Guys,
MBBS in
थोड़ा-
JJ
थोड़ा
Hospital,
पीछे जाओ।
Mumbai. हमें जी यही चाहिए कि हमें आजादी चाहिए।
Okay.
और जस्ट हमारे NEET aspirant जो 2024 आज स्टडी कर रहे हैं,
Yes.
उनको सर्टिफिकेशंस नहीं मिल रहा है। सो हमें यही चाहिए कि हमें सर्टिफिकेशंस चाहिए तो चाहिए। मोदी बहुत गलत कर रहा है हमारे साथ, क्योंकि उसने नीट लिख के है। और जस्ट हमारे यूपीएससी सब में मेन नीट छोड़ो, डॉक्टर छोड़ दो, यूपीएससी इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन द लाइफ दैट यू, कि वो नीट क्यों कर रहे हैं, यूपीएससी क्यों कर रहे हैं, वो चीज बोला कि प्लीज ये प्रोटेक्ट हमारा करो।
My name is Nur Mohammed.
So what do you do?
I'm a fashion student.
You're fashion student. So what do you want to say to the government regarding all this happening?
I just want one thing, that Modi istifa de de, that's the best thing.
Okay. So are you there in the 20th March?
No, it's my first day. in
It's
the
your
protest.
first day. Even after seeing so much police beating the protesters, still you came here?
Yeah. Actually, I came and my family
Okay.
appreciated me that you are taking part in such unity, and I really appreciate. People should come and do check out. Like
Okay.
what else are doing in people. Like
Okay.
I myself is coming for the first time, but
Okay.
no, not about the helmet. I'm
Yeah.
talking about the Modi, like what he did in the past,
Okay.
in the COVID, and what he did in the. If you remember the Ram Mandir, the theft of
Yeah,
the 200 crores from
Yes.
the Mandir,
Okay.
and apart from that, अगर मोदी इस्तीफा दे देगा, then everything will be fine.
Okay.
I think अगर लीडर ही हट जाएगा तो फिर प्यादे तो क्या ही करेंगे. That's the thing.
I'm interning in Delhi right now,
Delhi.
and that is why I have left my
You can
internship
turn this
today.
side and show what
Uh,
you're.
I have written next leak istife ka khat, which translates to next leak the letter of resignation.
Okay.
And what we are here for is asking for demanding justice and the resignation of Mr. Dharendra Pradhan because of the wrongs that have been done. Even I, as a student back in 2024, when I gave my exams, I was affected. A scam happened, re-results happened, answer keys was missing, and my score went down by a entire percentile point. I'm not just here for myself. Friends of mine have been detained. Friends of mine in Bombay, in Delhi, a minor yesterday was detained by the police, by the Rapid Action Force. I was hit in my knee at metro station by, I'm sorry for my language,
Yeah.
I was hit in my knee by the Rapid Action Force for just coming out of the lift because they have closed the gates. And we are here to ask for justice and to get rid of police brutality in this country. We are not living in the United States of America. We are not with these are not ICE. These are people who are getting paid and who are taking out their anger on us. So we are calling this quote unquote non-national, anti-national. So people in my own college from the ABVP and Think India have called me out and said that I am an anti-national. And to all of them I say, please go read and learn and leave the ABVP. Please, Mr. Suryakant, Chief Justice of India, I'm a law student myself, and it is shameful for him to say such statements like it is a waste of time of the Supreme Court to look at videos. They had time to look at videos of other such controversies and which are minor compared to this. And when police brutality is happening against children, for God's sakes, please just look at it. Mr. CJI, please go take a deep look at yourself, and please, I hope to God that you have a heart attack and you die.